Well, you asked for it. Here it is. My grandparents' KitchenAid dishwasher. You want to open it up and show us?
39 years.
No rust. All the original parts, right?
Right?
Except for the door springs.
Yep.
There it is, clean as a whistle.
It gets used probably
Not too often.
an average over the period of time, but twice a week.
That's pretty good, being you and Grandma. Alright, well there it is, guys. That's how things were built when they were built well, right?
that's right. You're right.
Yep,
And when you
It's still running.
still running.
Good for another 10 years.
Yeah, I think
Or more.
once in a while it makes a funny noise, doesn't it?
Yeah, but that's
We just let it go and it straightens out.
Well, it's probably grinding up seeds or something. Ours does that, but ours has been worked on. That's the only
It
difference.
does have a disposal in it.
Yeah, that's
And it
probably
has
what
a
it is.
heating element for sanitizing.
All right, well, thank you.